In this video, you'll learn how to register an OKX account using your mobile device. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully created your account and set up essential security features. Start by downloading the OKX app from your phone's app store. Once the installation is complete, locate the app icon on your device and tap to open it. At this point, you will see the welcome screen with the option to sign up. Tap this button to proceed with the registration process. Next, you need to enter your information. You will be prompted to type in either your email address or phone number. Make sure to choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance your account security. After entering this information, look for a button labeled Next to continue. Once you tap Next, you will receive a prompt to verify your identity. Check your email or text messages for a 6-digit verification code that has been sent to you. Enter this code into the designated field in the app and then tap Verify to confirm your identity. The next step involves verifying your identity for additional security. To buy or send money within the app, you must complete this verification. Tap on the option labeled Verify Now. You will then be instructed to take a clear photo of your ID, which can be either a passport or a national ID. Ensure adequate lighting for a clear image. After capturing the photo of your ID, the app will prompt you to take a selfie. This selfie will be used to match your identity with the ID you provided. Follow the on-screen instructions to ensure your face is clearly visible and well lit. Once both images are taken, the app will process the verification, which may take a few moments. To further secure your account, navigate to the security section within the app. Here you will find options to enhance your account protection. It is advisable to enable features such as passkeys or Google Authenticator. Doing this will add an extra layer of security to your account, ensuring your funds are well protected, and that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.